We are arriving at Mazatlan, Mexico. Temperature is 70 degrees this morning. Beautiful cloudless day. And this would be downtown Mazatlan.
This is the port that is used by cruise ships, commercial ships, or anything going in and out of Mazatlan by sea. And we had specific places we were allowed to walk and places where we were not allowed to walk because it could be a danger to us, such as cranes hauling stuff around, that type of thing. So, this is what we saw.
View of the city. We have a cyclo road, the green or blue line that is on the street. This is for the bicycle, so be careful and watch when you get off from the bus, okay? Any question from this area? How high is the cliff diver? 46 feet above sea level. And how deep is between 4 to 6 feet deep. And the guys doing, that's very important that you know about this area, okay? The guys at the end, they ask you for a tip. We need to do it. No, it's not mandatory. It's not obligation. It's just an option, okay? And how many you recommend, the lady? How much do you recommend to us to provide to the guys, the cliff divers, to provide to them? $1, $2, $3, $5, that's okay. Why? Because all the buses, all the tourism come out from your ship, they come through this place. And the people stay at the resort in Mazatlan, they come through here as well the local people, and we give you them a small tip, okay? But it's up to you. Nobody needs to push you to do that. If some of the cliff guys push to you or they not are gentle, that be so kind to let me know, okay? We can talk to the leader of the guys. And
Please take a second to comment, subscribe, ring the bell to get notices of new videos, and please give a thumbs up.